I'm Foo Fuiling, Quality Manager of PTSN. As per 2023, we have 5,000 workforce in total. We provide a one-stop solution that includes SMT, metal stamping, plastic injection, and final assembly. Before we know DIGI, we use manual stock card to check all material transaction and balance. In 2021, we implemented SAP system that help us record all transactions digitally. However, we still need device to be the medium of our SAP and physical stocks. We chose DIGI because DIGI ESL technology is known for its high-quality display and reliable wireless communication. We like the automated labeling process because it is faster and more efficient as it can be done remotely and in a real time. Typically, it takes us 2 to 3 days for comprehensive training. Currently, we are evolving from a manual to an automated system. Our warehouse productivity has been improved by 80% with the help of DIGI ESL technology. Yes, we are planning to use this in some departments. For example, digital material bin in production line, because this technology will help us ease our operations.